I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Iskovitz from here at Fox 26 with a look at the tropics on this Saturday. Just got a 4 p.m. update here as of this recording on Tropical Storm Fiona. Now, this is likely to become a hurricane very soon, maybe even Saturday night heading into Sunday morning. And unfortunately, the center of circulation may pass directly over Puerto Rico, also putting the U.S. and British Virgin Islands right on the strong side of that circulation. It's moving off toward the west-northwest right now. It's slowed down too. Yesterday, Fiona was moving at about 15 miles per hour. Today, it's slowed down to less than 10 miles per hour. Pressure hasn't really dropped all that much yet, but it very likely will over the course of Saturday night into Sunday. One of the primary concerns is not just the hurricane force winds, but the fact that the electricity grid there in Puerto Rico is still pretty weak, still rebuilding from Maria a few years ago, and also the chance that they could see 10 inches to 20 inches of rain. Can you believe that? This system is not coming anywhere near the Texas coastline. Coming up by early next week, it should pass here to the north of Jamaica and to the north of the island of Hispaniola. From there, it moves off toward the north and will most likely curve before it hits the east coast of the United States. But of course, we'll keep an eye on that for U.S. interests. Here's a look at all the computer models, the so-called spaghetti model plot here, showing, by the way, the white line is the European model. And then we pay close attention to this line here, which is the GFS, American Ensemble model. So that one takes an average of 30 different runs of the GFS, and it tends to give us a really good indication of what's going on. So this isn't going to come anywhere near Texas, but the system is really expanding, taking up much of the eastern Caribbean as of Saturday night, and it's really starting to ramp up, really starting to finally see that moisture wrap around, which it hadn't done before. So yeah, headed right toward Puerto Rico. Also places like St. Croix, St. Thomas, those places will also take a pretty hard hit from this system. So this is a look at the computer model outlook. Again, this is the GFS model outlook of the position of the storm and the rainfall. And as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week, it's going to be passing most likely pretty close to Bermuda. So Fiona is not going to be our storm. That is a look at the tropics here on this Saturday. I want to thank you for trusting us for your tropical information. We will continue to track Fiona right now. So far, so good for our part of the Gulf of Mexico.